What's up, guys? We've got a big one for you today. This is the YARDCARE Robotic Lawn Mower, and this is E400 model in dark gray. So I'm going to get this unboxed because it is massive, and then we're going to talk about some of the specs as well as how much it costs and what you can expect out of it, because it's actually pretty affordable compared to some other offerings out there. So let's get this opened up. So we'll open the top here. All right, so this is actually kind of cool. They actually rip this off real quick. So they actually give us a ruler on the cardboard that you can cut out and use for this, which that's kind of cool. I've never seen that before. So let's get this all unboxed, and then I'll tell you about what all these accessories are once we get there. All right, so they give us a charging base, and a very nice looking charging base. So the bot's just gonna go ahead and go up here, drive itself up onto the base, align itself with these alignment parts, connect itself to the two terminals, and it's gonna start charging here, all intelligently. That's super, super cool. Now let's take a look at the bot itself. Very nice looking design here. So you can see it's got some really large wheels on the back. It does have an adjustable height design, so you can actually have it raise or lower. Let me see if I can do that here. You can see that it can lower or raise the level of trim, which makes it really useful for different types of grass. We have a really large stop button, which is standard on these types of robotic lawnmower devices, as well as a bumper so that if it runs into anything, it can stop. We've got timers on here, as well as power and all the normal things you'd expect on the bot itself. But most of the controls are going to be done via the app, and the QR code for this is right on the back here as well. So two really big wheels, two smaller turning wheels on the inside, a actionable bumper that can detect when it hits things. And you might notice, compared to some of our other offerings or bots we reviewed, this doesn't have any cameras. That is because it uses a yard wire, which means it works more like a Roomba than anything else. It kind of just continues going around the yard and stopping at these as the barrier. So this is a very, very thin metal line that all you do is you add some stakes to the ground and run that line around your yard, and this will never exit that area. So very useful mechanism. You don't have to do any crazy GPS routing or have any kind of hubs or anything trying to view your entire lawn and determine where it can go. This is all done via a very analog manual system. Also, be very careful, because when I was unboxing it, I actually cut myself, it looks like, because there are blades on the bottom of this, and while it was in the bag, the blades are exposed, so I went ahead and gave myself a little slice there. That's unfortunate. So we've got a power cable here, and it looks like this is water resistant. We do have a water resistant adapter or extender here that just goes and plugs in just like that. And then this part plugs into the back of the hub, and that's how everything stays charged. But yeah, that's about it for this one. Very, very cool robotic lawn mowing system. I've actually used a few of these now, and I'm excited to see what this other type, as opposed to GPS, because GPS ones tend to mess up a little bit. Having an actual wire that stops it from going any further, that seems like a really good method to ensure that it never just wanders off or something, right? Very cool stuff. I'm excited to try it out. Stay tuned for a new video on how this looks on the lawn itself and things like that. But yeah, let me have any questions in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace. Oh, I almost forgot the price. So all of this for $379. That is not bad at all. Not even on sale or anything. $379. When it does go on sale, you get it even cheaper. It has some really, really great options here. Fully controllable with your phone, things like that. Solid device. Definitely check it out. Peace.